reverse button here, or, you know, go back. So we're at scores and schedules again. Yep. Let's take a look at the Broncos.
Right there.
Where are they? Oh, they're on the top.
No, bottom three.
Oh, there they are. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at it.
What about the Broncos? No.
Yeah, what about the Broncos? Broncos did
How's
that.
I went to that game yesterday.
Did you really?
Yeah.
You were at the game?
Yeah. You want to see my pictures? You weren't even with me yesterday.
I bet you were very popular at the game yesterday.
I got it for like $95 a ticket.
Ah, man, it's crazy. Well, let's take a look. So Denver lost. Let's take a look what might be happening here.
Woo!
Yeah. First downs. Broncos got plenty of first downs. Total yards. We actually got more than Oakland.
It ain't nothing but a chicken wing.
Yeah, what's the big difference here?
Penalties.
What is it? V? Penalties? Okay, let's go to penalties. Well, the Broncos had actually less penalties than the Oakland, which does not surprise me at all. Okay, let's look at what other thing is different. Why did Broncos lose? Okay, well, let's look at the data and tell me based on the data. Fumbles, right? Oh, Butterfingers is what you said. I thought you were like talking about catching. Yeah. Look, Oakland did not turn the ball over once. Denver turned it over twice. Right? As we said, turnovers are going to play a huge role in how many points you score. The more turnovers you have, the least amount of points your offense is going to score.
You know what's interesting?
What's that?
There was no interceptions?
No, there wasn't, was there?
No.
And it wasn't even slick out. I don't know what's going on. Honestly, you got a new quarterback. I'll tell you why he fumbled so much. What other thing is different between these two teams that goes in the Raiders' favor? Take a look. Remember what we were talking about. Penalties, turnovers, what else?
No quarterback.
Well, new quarterback, that's true. But what other factor on there is different? That doesn't favor the Broncos. Yeah, look at your stats.
The sacks?
Yeah. How many sacks was Brock sacked?
5. No, yeah, 5 times.
5.
And then the Raiders 3 times.
3 times, right?
And then the yards.
So this is probably why right here, this difference. If your quarterback's on his back, he can't really throw the ball to your receivers, can he? Nope, not really. This was probably a huge reason why the Broncos lost. Turnovers and sacks. It definitely wasn't penalties.
With the punts, it says Oakland 10 punts.
Yeah.
That means they punted to us, or we punted to them?
They punted to us.
10 times?
Yes.
So that's like turnovers too.
No, not really. This is basically their offense just not getting it done. Right? They had to punt it. They didn't get the conversion. They didn't make the 4th down, so they had to punt it to the other team. Yeah, well, Oakland was probably supposed to score more, but, I'm sure it might have affected them a little bit. The thing is the Bronco defense or the offense was better than Oakland, except in these 2 little variables: the time sacked and the turnovers. If we wanted to calculate these factors in the game, what we could do is we could basically look up what is the history of the Broncos fumbling versus the Oakland fumbling. Maybe we could predict some of these things. That we could say, hey, Oakland's good at getting turnovers. You got a new quarterback. Maybe there's going to be a lot of turnovers. Maybe the Broncos don't score as much. Well, let's take a look at the Broncos. So we're going to go